Let's unbox it and see the details.
Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject.
Friends, today I am coming with technological information about new smartphone of 5G from Samsung. Let's unbox it and see the detail of information and its new features. Friends, here is Samsung A34 new smartphone of 5G from Samsung with a new feature and new advanced technology. Let's open it and see the device and other details of document. Let's open the lid and see the device details. After opening box, here we look at the device which is in premium look with a best build quality and also premium quality of product. Let's open the lid and see the detail of camera and other features of new model of Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone with a new technological information. Front bezels are lesser and the already installed Gorilla Glass which protect screen and also the medium weight of the device which give the premium quality and solid build and also helpful long last using device for daily routine purpose. Here we getting other necessary documents and accessories which is helpful for technical support and also premium look of the device which survive best quality and other detail of information. Here we look at device which comes in green or you can call lime color which enhance the device look and also curves and solid build which helpful to protect the device for long time. The heavy user also can use this device for other gaming purpose and its new color of richness which give more and more premium look to the device. The SIM tray comes with 1 plus 1 and memory card or 1 plus 1 memory card and also smooth curves which helpful the grip and also you can use smoothly so you can operate the device as per your requirement. In this box, here we get another small box which provide C2C cable. The premium quality of C2C cable comes with device and support the device in a quick charging and smooth running of device for day-to-day battery life. The necessary quick start guide and also the manual which help to operate the device smoothly and other information provided about device to know the functions and its other accessories details. The SIM ejection tool support to device to operate SIM tray, and here we get small box with document and C to C cable, and in this box we not get any back cover or company mandatory cover for the device. Here we have to separate purchase the 25 or more than 20 watt power adapter for support to device and quick start the charge for device. Here I recommend purchase new power adapter for support the device. Please don't use old power adapter because it not work properly or it not support properly to the new device, so the battery will drain faster and you will lose the battery quality and also the long time survive of the battery function. So because you purchase new power adapter to function smoothly with your new device and also support with a zero problem, and also you get best battery life with a minimum charging time, and also you get best battery life in a new device for long time and its service. The device come with medium or minimum weight, so the battery drain faster and it take up to 1 day of battery life with a heavy user, and minimum user can get up to 2 days of battery life. And also the premium quality of look give a best result for the device and its premium richness which attract towards function smooth, and you can operate this device easily and set up the other function quickly. Here this device comes with new technological apps and other advanced technology, so you can get best update and other facilities. The operating system works smoothly with the new functions and other best quality provide you to serve more and more long lasting time of device. So friends, here is a small information about unboxing Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone and review of the device detail will be continue in next video. Please wait for the information and support the channel for next upcoming videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Look forward to support the channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.
Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.